Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add text on TikTok for different time. You're going to learn how to add text to your TikTok videos to let them appear at different intervals within the video. Most times when we add a text to a video, we don't want the text to appear throughout the video. I'm going to show you guys how you can set your text to appear at different intervals, at different duration within the video. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step is to open your TikTok app. You tap on it to open it. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, the first step you take to upload a video, you tap on the plus icon there, tap on it. So guys, here you can either upload a video from your phone gallery or you record a new video. But I'm going to upload a video, so let me tap on upload. It's going to take me over to my gallery. So let me go back to the video section. So let me choose a video right away. Let me choose this one here. Let me add another one to it. Let me add another one. Then you tap on next. So guys, this is where you can add your text to your video. I'm going to show you guys how you can add time duration to your text. First of all, you tap on the text icon. You can see it there. You tap on it. That's the third option from the top. Tap on it. So guys, let me add the text. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? So guys, after you're done typing it, you can go ahead to add a color to it. You can go ahead to add a border to it as well. Let me add a border. So guys, this is it. So guys, once you're done typing the text, you tap on done at the top right corner. Tap on it. So guys, for you to actually add a text to this video, you have to tap on the text itself. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see a pop-up there. You can see the set duration option, which is the second one. All you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this video is a 19 seconds video. If I want this text to appear from the 5th seconds, if I want it to appear from the 5th seconds to the 10th seconds, all I have to do is to adjust this timeline over here. I want to appear from the 5th seconds to the 10th seconds. So guys, now you can see it. I've set it now. All I have to do is to tap on good. So let me tap on good below. So guys, now let's see the text that we've made. You're going to see it's going to appear at the 5th seconds. Let's check it out. Okay guys, it has appeared. So now let's look when it's going to disappear. It's going to go out now. So guys, as you can see, it has disappeared. So guys, this is how you actually do it. So let's do it again. Let's choose another text. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. So guys, you can go ahead also to add a color to it. Let me add a green color. Let me add a border to it. So guys, once you're done typing it, you tap on done. So now let's add a time duration to this text now. So what you have to do is to tap on the text itself. Let me tap on it. Then you tap on the set duration. So now let's make this text now to appear from the 15th seconds. From the 15th seconds to the last point of the video. So let me leave it there. Then once you're done, you tap on good. So guys, let's check out our video now. You're going to see the first text is going to appear at the 5th seconds. This is it. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Then let's wait for the second one. It's going to disappear. And let's wait for the second one. It's going to appear right now. Let's wait. You can see. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. So guys, this is awesome. This is how you actually set time duration for your text in your video. So guys, I believe if you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.